Okay, so how am I going to fix this? This is a perfect example of measure twice, cut once, because I'm now going to have to cut infinite times to fix this. Hello everybody, welcome back to a very exciting day. In today's video I am going to be making something special. No, wait, that's not entirely correct. I'm going to be making a simple, normal photo frame, but the picture, however, that goes into the frame, that's going to be very special. And I want to share with you where does this picture come from and what does it mean to me. That we will do right at the end. But first, we have to make a photo frame. I suppose it's time for the moment of truth. That is so nice. That is a photo frame. Alright, great. Let's quickly do a recap. So far, I managed to stick myself with a splinter in the finger. I've managed to cut an entire photo frame's length completely wrong, so the glass and the backboard does not fit even closely. I got my entire floor covered in beautiful man glitter, and then decided to just take a coffee break while I'm figuring out how I'm going to recover. Let me try and explain to you the best I can what's happening here now. The glass, I measured the glass and then measured my cuts. The glass is supposed to sit on the inside of the wood like this. Actually, let me use the hardboard. And then you'll be able to see it better. So this is what's going on. The wood is supposed to sit on the inside there. I should have based my measurements there. I measured it here. You can see it lines up perfectly now. So I've made a frame that's too big to fit this. It falls right through. Which means I'm going to have to figure out how much I must take off where in order that I end up with a perfect square frame, and this time it fits. Alright, using the backboard this time as a guide, I have determined that I have to cut that amount of wood off the edges of all the four sides in order to get the backboard and the glass to fit. So very quickly now I'm going to do that, and then we will test it again. kind of nerve-wracking. No, not operating the machine, that's actually quite fine. Wondering whether this will work. All right, everybody together now, hold your breath. It fits. I've just made a photo frame. It's not assembled, but I just made a photo frame. I say, let us assemble this puppy. Right, now I'm going to finish this, and today I'm going to finish it with this. All right, so shall we start? Okay, I'm at the end of my build and I'm not going to drag this out any longer. Thank you for waiting patiently. The picture is now in the frame and it looks like this. First of all, I'm very happy with how the frame came out. I think it looks absolutely amazing. I really like it. It fits with the photograph so nicely. This picture was taken by Justin Mabie. He's also a YouTuber. His channel is called Call Me Maybe, and he takes videos of makers and He does incredible work. His footage is so brilliant. I really enjoy watching it. It's really nice. And he was kind enough to send me this picture, and for that I am very grateful. In the picture is April Wilkerson, another YouTuber and maker. She is one of the makers that is directly responsible for what I'm doing with my channel, for coming to this point where I have my own channel. I feel so inspired by what she does and by the things that she makes. I have learned so much skill-wise from watching her channels, and I'm really inspired by it. I will leave links to both of their channels in my description below, and I urge you, please support them. Go view their stuff. I promise you, you will like it. In the picture, April is busy with Shou Sugi Ban, a process by which you burn wood. We'll talk about that a bit more now. The picture immediately caught my eye when I saw it because of this transition of the flames from blue and purple into the orange yellow flames we see in the bottom. I just found that transition so capturing, it drew me in, it pulled me in. I really like that. It is a reminder to me that what we do as makers is not only functionable, but it's also cool, and it looks cool. We you know, it's nice to do it. And April is smiling in the picture. It's fun to do what we do. It's a reminder of all of those things, that what we do is fun and it's inspiring, and it looks cool. It's really amazing. So I like the picture for that, and because it was taken by somebody I admire, and it features somebody I admire, and it has all of these elements in it, I am deeply honored to have it as a permanent fixture in my shop for as long as I can help it. All of those reasons, however, is not what makes this picture special to me. It's not the reason that it is special for me, and I want to talk about that quickly. First, we have to talk a bit about Shou Sugi Ban. If I were to do a census on what is wood's biggest enemy, I'm pretty confident that the answer would be fire. Fire can destroy wood very fast, very devastatingly. We could say it's the natural enemy of wood. But wood also has other enemies. Strangely enough, that if you burn wood just enough, you can make the wood rot resistant, you can make it resistant to sun damage, you can make it repel water, you can make it discourage insects from destroying the wood, and you make the wood look prettier. It really looks nice. Here's the reason why I found that very interesting. In life, we all go through challenges, whether that is unemployment, a death of a loved one, or a breakup in a relationship, or there's many, you know the challenges. I don't have to list them all. You know the challenges of life. And certainly 2020 has been a year full of challenges. At the time when Justin posted this picture on his Instagram and I saw it, me and my family, we were going through some challenges. Lockdown has been tough. I'm not gonna lie, it's been tough. When I saw this picture, I just had this thought. It just came to me that what if the thing that we think is going to destroy us is actually here to make us stronger or better or prettier or just improve us. As humans, we have a natural tendency whenever we're faced with challenges to think that this is the thing that's going to end us, that's going to break us. Today I want to ask you, if you are facing a challenge, or when you face a challenge, ask yourself, what if this thing that I think is going to destroy me is actually here to make me better? Just the fact that you ask yourself that question and allow your mind to come up with answers, you will see that you will quickly discover ways in which it's not there to destroy you, it's there to make you better. You will see it. I know this is true because that's what me and my family have been discussing the last couple of months. We've been talking about it, and we have been discovering that the challenges that we thought were really going to break us was here to make us stronger, to make us better. And this is why I wanted to share this with you, and I thank you for being patient with me when I deviate a little bit away from making stuff and going more into this just talking about stuff. I hope you don't mind, but I just, with the year we've had, 2020 has not been easy for many people, and I just felt that I wanted to share this with you, that you look at your challenges and ask yourself, what if it's not here to destroy me? And see how that changes your perception of the situation. And then find something that is a reminder to you of that. This photograph will hang in my shop, and it will be a reminder to me to look at challenges in a different way. And I urge you to do the same. And if you have your own unique way of dealing with challenges so that you look to the upside and what could come out of it, then please share with us in the comments. Please tell us what is the method you use. I would really love to read it and hear about it. If you know of somebody that's going through challenges and you think they might find some inspiration from hearing this message, please share with them. I thank you for watching to the end. Until the next video, I want to encourage you to make your best life. Thank you for watching. $66 plus 46, 112. 66 plus 46, 112. Why? No. Okay, let's try that again.